We started the day at 6 in the morning to watch the sunrise from Mirador Del Mar Carib, which is a giant rock protruding from the sea.
We worked up an appetite and stopped by the nearest restaurant, El Pez, located right next to Mirador del Mar.
This place is truly amazing. It's fortunate enough for us, the same place, the rock right behind us where we watch a beautiful sunrise, it's pretty much in the backyard of this restaurant. You can actually choose to go to the rock and watch the sunrise, or just come here, have a table right in the outside, and you can still see the beautiful sunrise. It opens at 7:30, so sunrise is usually around 6:40, close to 7, so it's perfect timing. Just come on over, have breakfast.
Yeah, why don't you come? Show me good news. Yeah, why don't you come? Show me good news.
Fantastic presentation. I ordered my eggs medium and I can already tell it's gonna be delicious. This toast tastes incredible. It almost tastes like chorizo because they put a lot of sugar and cinnamon, and it's crunchy on the outside, so soft on the inside. Homemade ice cream, bananas. Mwah.
Yeah, why don't you come? Show me good news. Yeah, why don't you come? Show me good news. Why don't you come?
According to our theory, this is just our theory, if the breakfast is good, that means
The dinner should be even better.
right. So we mentioned that to our waiter. He brought out the dinner menu and it looks absolutely,
Incredible.
and they have tomahawk steak. That's a problem for me. So I think I'm definitely going to try that. When it's time for us to come in for dinner, I'm definitely having the tomahawk steak. I want to experience that. Okay, so let's talk cost.
Breakfast came out to just a little over 700 peso, including the tip.
So it is kind of on the priciest side for breakfast.
You can get breakfast in Mexico for $5 per person, but this is really high end.
Right. So our rating for El Pez for breakfast is bing, 5 stars, definitely. If you guys are here and you have a chance to come here for breakfast, please do so. It's just really, really amazing.